If you want to shoot 4K video on your iPhone, it's very easy to do, but you may not know how to do it. So let's go through two options. The first option is going through your camera. Make sure that your camera is on video at the very bottom, and you're going to get some options here or some settings at the top left-hand corner. So go ahead and click that. And from here, you're going to be able to pick the resolution that you want. Make sure that you have the correct phone and that your phone is capable of doing this. But you should get an option for 4K, and then you'll get an option for your frame rate or your FPS. So you can go ahead and choose whatever frame rate that you want. But if you forget how to do this or forget how to get here, what we can do is come out of here, go to your settings, and then go down to camera, and then go ahead and hit record video. And then from here, you will be able to choose that option over again. If it's 4K at 24 or 30 or 60 or 120. And that's it. It's super simple to go through and make sure you're on the right setting, the right format for your 4K video.